Extinction caused by humans drives the death of at least 10,000 different species each year, according to the World Wildlife Federation. BeastCam, a new technology developed at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, is cataloging as many species as possible while they're alive and in 3D. As I learned during a recent visit, some researchers at UMass and around the world hope the images will also help save some currently endangered animals from extinction.
If you listen carefully inside of Duncan Ershik's lab, you might hear a lizard ambling in its cage or the croaking of this guy.
Hey, buddy. This is a New Caledonian giant gecko that we use for our research.
Known to those in the lab as Matrix, he's the star of today's work. He's being photographed by BeastCam. The rig was co-invented by Ershik, a biology professor at UMass Amherst, and 2 students. With it, Ershik and partners around the globe hope to capture images of all living things on the planet.
As far as I'm aware, we're the only group in the world that can capture really a diversity of animals in kind of high-resolution 3D.
BeastCam is portable and lightweight, but it requires some cooperation from its subjects. With a little luck, the animal being photographed holds completely still for the fraction of a second needed to snap multiple photos simultaneously.
It's a great pose.
Then a software program is used to stitch those individual shots together, creating one high-resolution 3D image.
Obviously, along the way, I have to tell you, I was told by many people this won't work, animals will move, they will not do it. And the work, I'd worked with a lot of different animals over many years with snakes, lizards, sharks, sea turtles. And one thing I learned is that you have to show patience.
Using that patience and different versions of BeastCam, they've cataloged 45 plants and animals ranging in size from a small poisonous frog to a 5-foot blacktip shark. All of the images are downloadable at digitallife3d.org and can be used by anyone from students to professionals like Ershik, interested in science, conservation, and education. But Ershik said that he hopes that regular folks will take a look too, because he believes that BeastCam will help them understand what happens if these living things become extinct.
It has a power to kind of open your eyes to the biological world around us, and that sense of wonder is really what inspires us to conserve life. We have to care, and this work, I hope, makes people care, makes people think twice about the choices they make that affect these animals.
Ershik said he's especially concerned about frogs and sea turtles.
It's kind of a race against time to capture them because for me, some of these species, especially some of the frogs, will they be there in 5 years? Time will tell.
In the meantime, Matrix the gecko is there in the lab, croaking as Ershik and students continue their research and prepare for the work ahead.